Teka lang, ata, ulit nga.
Step 21. The Total Device Monitor. Click Start menu. Control panel. System and Security. System. Device Monitor. You will see all the hardware listed as shown on the image below. You need to check if you have any yellow exclamation marks next to the name of the devices, similar to the multimedia audio controller on the image below. This indicates that the driver has not to be installed for this device. So you click Start menu, control panel, system security. So this is the, what do you call this? The image. Next, 20.
Ay, na ba yung last? Ikaw na lahat.
Ikaw na lang.
Ikaw na.
Last ka na, Juliet. Ikaw na.
Patayin nga. Hello? Just the search.
Step 20.
Teka lang.
Step 22. You can choose to search automatically for updated driver software or browse my computer for driver software. If you have the driver CD or if the driver is on a USB drive, then choose Browse My Computer for driver software. Windows 7 will search and install the driver from the CD, or you can locate the driver manually. Once you have removed all the yellow exclamation marks from the device manager, your Windows 7 configuration will be fully complete. So you automatically updated your driver software. So browse your My Computer for driver software, so you can skip this.
Skip next. So you can see.
So there's two options to search your driver software. First, search automatically for updated driver software or browse My Computer for driver software. So that's it. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Last na yun?
Ikaw na! 23, ako na.
Nakatuloy-tuloy na yun.
Check this out.
Step 23 and the final step. Finally, check if you have successfully activated Windows 7. Click Start menu, Control panel, System and Security, then System. You will get a window similar to the image below. Towards the bottom, you will see Windows is activated followed by your product ID. This shows that your copy of Windows 7 is fully activated. And you can see the Windows 7 is now finally done and you upgraded your Microsoft.
Annyeong! Thank you for watching.